every price run, every movement in price action, whether it goes up to go down or goes down to go up, every single one of those occurrences, every single one of those examples is a framework of my power of three concept. So if you know what's about to happen, your mindset should be, okay, it's going up to go down. So that means I want to watch how price will behave with that in mind. If it's going down to go up, I'm going to be looking at the opening, or when I'm seeing the pattern form right before it drops to create the buy signal, I'm treating that as the open and manipulation. Then the profit release portion of that move will be the expansion higher. And then at some point when it reaches a target, I expect it to pull off of that because of the time element. So all those things together will start having a better effect on you being able to read price action. It's not limited to a daily candlestick, because a daily candlestick is simply one interval of measuring the fluctuations of price action. But there's ways of manipulating price in different time frames that are not many times even referred to by other people. And by having the exercise of going through time frames that are not classic, okay, and what do I mean by that? Like a 7-second chart, okay, a 3.5 hour chart. You might not see an inefficiency on the 4 hour chart. You might not see an inefficiency on the hourly chart. But what happens if you see it on a 2.5 hour or a 3 hour chart or a 3.25 hour chart? See, if you understand a narrative, you understand that the market's trying to do something specific to get to a destination, whether it be higher or lower in price. It's going up or down to go to liquidity above the marketplace or below the marketplace. Or if there is no run for the liquidity sake, it's going up to trade up into, like it did here, it's raiding the buy stops above here, but it's trading into this inefficiency. So it's not randomly reaching up there, clearly, because I outlined it yesterday and told you it was going to go there. And then I told you what was going to happen once it did, and it did.